I call it content for connection instead of what I see is usually content for promotion. And here's how you do it. It's not that hard. The hardest part is getting out of our comfort zone and getting out of our own head. But it's when you start to share content of things that you've lived, experiences you've had, things that you've learned, or even what are you living now and what are you learning, that content not only does it get engagement, and I know that's important, right? Did we get engagement? Did we get likes? Did we get comments? How many views did we get? And we like those vanity metrics. And I don't want to put those down because those are important. But really the whole content strategy, the foundation of the strategy should be, are the right people getting to know you?